Welcome, this is Waec year 2018 comments past question number 7. So the last question we want to answer under this diagram or using this diagram. Question 7 says, what does the space marked M represent? The space marked M, and where do we have our M? This is where we have our M in this box. So, and if you follow this diagram, we say that we have at the apex of this diagram we have occupation, and under occupation we have 3 layers. We have what we call industry, we have commerce, we have service, or direct or indirect service. The under commerce, as we all know, commerce is divided into basic two places, or into two basic angles. Then here we have what we call trade, and here we have what we call H2 commerce. So option A say A, query, B, manufacturing, C, agriculture, D, trade. The correct option here is option D, which is trade, because trade is the process. The trade is the process of buying and selling of goods, and so on and so forth, or services. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.